My name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is tracking confirmations when changing vendor data. Now, many of you are reaching out to the vendor to confirm changes when you receive a request to change your vendor's existing data, especially their banking. But the question that I have is are you tracking? Because even prior to the pandemic, when many AP team members, internal employees, and vendors lost access to their company phone system, it was still hard to get the vendors on the first call, making it a labor intensive process that could delay the vendor request and the vendor payment. So make sure that you are tracking information such as the request date, the vendor ID, the vendor name, type of change, the contact attempt date, how contacted, and status. Now, this avoids delays by allowing vendor team members to jump right in and know where to begin follow-ups if the team members that initiated the confirmations are not in. Also, it will allow management to track confirmations so that none fall through the cracks. Tracking confirmations can reduce the delays in processing vendor requests. Now, if you want additional ways to speed up the processing time of vendor requests, I will add a link to a blog entitled 3 Ways to Speed Up the Vendor Onboarding Process in the description below. And if you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.